Are you looking for the best tool sets in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best tool sets that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Crescent 180-piece professional tool set. The Crescent 180-piece professional tool set is a solid professional socket set for working on cars, tractors, lawnmowers, and other motorized equipment, with a few additions for household use. These sockets and ratchets are some of the highest quality performers in the test, and there are a lot of them. You get 2 ratchets with 3 extenders for hard-to-reach places and over 80 sockets in metric and SAE, including a super handy 5/8 spark plug socket. The 12 combination wrenches with 1 open and 1 box end are among the best in the test. We like the screwdrivers and the magnetic bit driver, which come with 48 bits. The needle nose pliers are high quality with nice action, but there are no ordinary pliers or tongue and groove pliers. The metric and SAE hex keys are fine and come in sturdy holders. Unless you're jumping straight into auto care, we don't recommend this as a first-timer's toolkit. However, the expansive selection of tools will help you accomplish many household tasks. Adding a hammer would extend the range of this kit's home repair and project capabilities. The sockets, ratchets, and wrenches shine during testing, but the rest of the kit was just okay. The screwdrivers are comfortable in hand when dry, but their edgeless handles are challenging to hold when oily. The case is fairly good at holding tools but lacks durability. When ours arrived for testing, our lead reviewer noted there was a gouge in the bottom of the case, and I noticed one of the socket holders was slightly distorted, barely holding the socket in place. If you're rough on your tools, consider a more durable case and set like the DeWalt 108-piece mechanics tools kit and socket set. All things considered, the Crescent tool set is an excellent option for those who want a starter kit for auto care or want to add a great set of sockets and wrenches to their tool bench. Up next in the 4th place is the Amazon Basics 173-piece hand tool kit. The Amazon Basics 173-piece hand tool kit set offers a killer value and a solid selection of household tools. It comes outfitted with a small hammer, a saw, various pliers, a tape measure, a small selection of nails and screws, and even a torpedo level. The small socket set is handy, the snap-off blade is adequate, and the level is convenient when hanging art. The screwdrivers and magnetic bit driver have comfortable handles with rounded edges that help maintain your grip. The driver's 20 extra Torx, Phillips, flathead, hex, and square head bits expand the toolkit's capabilities. I always appreciate having SAE and metric hex keys around the house, especially for bikes, one tester remarked. The construction of the pliers leaves something to be desired, as their small, slick grips make them difficult to hold and the joints are not tight enough. Unfortunately, the action on the slip joint pliers is the worst we tested. Therefore, if you simply need quality pliers, we suggest considering the Channelik 5-piece pliers set instead. As for the ratchet, the gears are too far apart, so it takes more time and repetition to tighten and loosen the bolts. Also, the carrying case design could be much more precise to hold tools in place. After opening and closing the case multiple times, one pair of pliers fell right out. Despite these shortcomings, this tool set has impressive value and utility. We recommend the Amazon Basics to anyone looking for a starter kit on a budget. The 3rd product on our list is the DeWalt 108-piece mechanics tools kit and socket set. The DeWalt 108-piece mechanics tools kit and socket set scores very high in our 4 metrics, though other award winners like the Black & Decker 20V Max 68-piece scored better in general use selection. The tool quality and functionality were immediately apparent as soon as we assembled sockets to the ratchet. Easy to assemble and securely fastened are the themes of this kit. I effortlessly wrenched on ski bindings and worked on bicycles, our head tester stated. The carrying case is lightweight, easy to carry, and has two metal latches that snap solidly into place. And as a carpenter who has used DeWalt products for over 20 years, one of our testers can assure you that durability is second to none. Unfortunately, we can't recommend this high-quality toolset for general use only because it lacks diversity in its available tools. There are no hammers, pliers, or tape measures. If you require a more versatile general use set, we recommend checking out the Amazon Basics 173-piece hand toolkit. However, if you either already own or don't mind acquiring those other tools separately, this 108-piece kit from DeWalt might be the right toolset for you. Second on our list is the Craftsman 57-piece home kit. The Craftsman 57-piece home kit is a solid little tool set. If your projects aren't elaborate, this kit offers the best mix of basic tools. Its fiberglass and rubber-handled hammer is one of the better options in the test, as are its slip joint pliers. They have an easy action and comfortable grip. The screwdrivers are pleasant to wield and work well, instead of the magnetic bit driver that many other kits include. This one gives you a ratcheting screwdriver with a bit adapter, so you can use it for bolts or slap on a Torx, Phillips, or flathead to tackle an array of screws. We like it. The little socket set is a handy size, and one tester stated, "It's not top of the line, but I found it works well enough." The two hex key sets are standard, offering metric and SAE sizing. We like that the measuring tape is self-locking and marked with 1/4 measurements, which are nice for taking measurements at a glance. The sockets are only okay. The Crescent set is of higher quality. The snap-off knife isn't the most comfortable cutting device to hold. It works though, and snapping off a dull end to reveal a fresh edge is easy enough with the included pliers. Just bend the blade end away from the scoring mark for a clean snap. The plastic carrying case is alright, though the sockets fall out easily. You have to remember to leave that side of the briefcase down. If you plan on using sockets frequently, the ones included in the DeWalt 108-piece mechanics tools kit and socket set are high quality, and the case holds the tools well too. Still, this tool kit offers an impressive quality to value ratio and is a great starter tool set for less ambitious projects or those looking for quality on a budget. Finally, the top product on our list is the Black & Decker 20V Max 68-piece. The Black & Decker 20V Max 68-piece kit is an easy favorite. If you've tackled any home repair projects involving screws, you know how many hours a cordless electric drill can save. So it's great to see one in a pared-down tool set along with all the essentials. The drill comes with 10 bits, which drills pilot holes for a reasonable range of screw sizes. We also appreciate the spade and hole saw bits. You may not need to cut a big hole through solid wood often, but if you do find yourself wanting to run some wires through the back of a desk or cut a finger pull in a cabinet, they are fantastic to have around. The drill gives you 11 torque settings to amp up the power for those higher friction tasks. We also like the pliers, the needle nose, and the slip joint. Their handles are a little short, but offer a pleasant grip and feel more solid than some. While the drill is pretty good, it's not powerful enough for heavy jobs. The battery lasts for about 25 minutes of continuous use, which is enough time to blast through a couple hundred pilot holes or a few full hole cuts. An extra battery is necessary for longer projects, requiring an additional purchase. The included battery takes more than 3.5 hours to charge. The carrying case is just a bag with no organizational pockets, so your tools just end up in a jumble. Drill bits aren't very durable in those circumstances. The rest of the tools are on the fair side. Hammers with necks that narrow are easy to break, especially when prying out nails. The screwdrivers have oddly large bits, 5/16 for the flathead and a 14 wood screw for the Phillips. Although the bit driver gives you smaller options. I am not crazy about the grips or ergonomics of the pliers or snap-off blades, and the adjustable wrench wobbles our head tester said. Still, this is a decent kit to get you going if you want to speed through your chore list with a cordless drill. If you require a better hammer and tool quality in general, the Craftsman 57-piece home kit is another option to consider that's also affordable. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.